Now we iron the belt for the planet options. To do this, I draw this line. It is located twice as far as the similar ones along the top line. I apply a cut of the top line to the drawn line and iron it. This is how the similar ones itself is separated. The drawn line disappears from a hot iron. I used a special marker for this line. Here is such an ironed line. I apply this ironed line to the second blue line. This is the natural waistline. So I separate the planet area under the elastic band. After the skirt is ready, the belt will look like this.